A stone sign out front of a complex reads, "The Grove at Coastal Grand." A 55-plus active living community. Equal housing opportunity. Handicap accessible. An interior living space with an open floor plan. Stools along a kitchen peninsula dividing the space. A sack tossboard. Fountains in a pool with partly submerged lounge chairs. Chandeliers hang over a lounge. Ken and Cheryl Carr, residents.
The minute I walked in the door, I was amazed at how beautiful the building was, all the decor.
Granite look counters. Books and incense on a table. Phil Leases, resident.
It was like walking into a grand hotel. That's what attracted me.
A kitchen with textured walls and stools at a peninsula. A fitness center with wall-to-wall windows. Treadmills, ellipticals. A woman does yoga. Courtyard swimming pool.
Here at the Grove, there's so many amenities. The pool is amazing. I love that pool.
Text, games, and billiards room. A group of women play cards around a table opposite a pool table. Gary Clark, resident.
I really enjoyed the billiards room. We play poker several times in a week.
The movie theater.
Text, theater room. Rows of armchairs set up in front of a flat-screen TV. A popcorn machine.
Fridays they show a feature and have popcorn candy.
Text, state-of-the-art fitness center.
It's a fitness center that has pretty much every piece of equipment that we need.
Text, yoga studio. Elderly women stretch on yoga mats.
I've never done yoga in my life, and now I'm doing yoga in the morning.
Text, Lucy Stanziale, resident. A board reads, Tapas Thursday. Sip, sample, and share.
There's so much to offer. You'll never be bored.
Text, the lifestyle. A man and woman hugs as others wait in line. A buffet.
Or you just walk out your door and you're going to meet someone in the hallway or downstairs in the social area.
A banquet hall filled with elderly residents.
Super easy to meet people here.
The social club is right there by the lobby. We like to go there and gather with all of our neighbors. It's just so nice to be able to get together like that.
Text, prime location in Myrtle Beach. Palm trees run to the entrance with flags out front.
The location, it's great because you can go to the theater, which is right across the street.
A buffet table.
I've never seen so many restaurants as here with awesome food and fresh seafood. We are a 5-minute drive to the beach. There's all kinds of hiking paths and places you can ride a bicycle in there. This place is a wonderful area to live.
Text, the Grove at Coastal Grand. Schedule a tour today at Myrtle Beach's only 55-plus active adult community. Equal housing opportunity. Handicap accessible.